Hello, my name is Floyd Buenavente and I am 35 years old. I live in Quezon City, Diliman, and I've been doing SEO since 2004. My main strengths are basically SEO, PPC, SEM, and social media optimization, along with online reputation management and Google penalty recovery. I've been around in the business for a long time, and I'm one of the stalwarts of SEO in the country. One of the oldest SEOs in the country. And why should you hire me? I think I'm a very good asset for your company, and I can definitely deliver when it comes to rankings and conversions. I think that's it. If you have any more questions or even violent reactions about this video, please feel free to contact me through Aurora. And again, thank you very much for your time. But before I go, I think Aurora asked me to tell you some things about myself. I am a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu enthusiast. I also teach Jiu-Jitsu. I like cooking. I like reading. But basically, I'm a geek at heart. I love SEO a lot. I think it's one of the best things that ever happened to me, and it's the best careers out there. So I can't wait to meet you soon or to talk to you soon. And thank you very much for the opportunity to work with you. So I guess that's it. Thank you very much.